everyone, welcome back to Goochie's Cocktail Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hot toddy. Now, a hot toddy is a drink that's been around since the 1700s. It originated from Scotland, and this is what they used to drink when they couldn't go down to Chemist Warehouse and buy cold and flu medicine. Alright? The hot toddy has 4 ingredients. You need boiling hot water. Boiling hot water is really good for soothing the throat. Okay, we've got organic honey here. I've just picked this up from Aldi. So organic honey that has natural antibacterial properties in it, so that's really good. We've got JD whiskey. Obviously, I'm a big fan of this stuff. This bottle's almost empty, as you can see. But whiskey is a natural decongestant. And then I've got fresh lemon here that I've cut up. I've cut it up in wedges, but before cutting it up in wedges, I cut a couple of circles. Lemon is a great source of vitamin C. Alright, so while the kettle boils, I'm going to get on with making this drink. I'm going to add a big tablespoon of honey to my glass. Alright, and then I'm going to squeeze in some fresh lemons. Oh no, I got a poop. Okay, I'll just get that out. Alright. So I have my honey and my lemon in here, and now I'm going to add my boiling hot water. I'm going to fill this 3/4 of the way full because I still need to add my whiskey, my shot of whiskey. So I'm going to give this a quick stir. It smells divine. The honey and lemon smells absolutely amazing. I'm going to add 1 shot of whiskey. I'll have to buy another bottle soon. Give that another stir. And now I'm going to add a lemon wheel, just to garnish. I'll top that up with some more hot water. And voila! We are done. This is a hot toddy. This is what it looks like. Cheers. Yum. I love this drink. I love the hot toddy. Love the combination of honey, lemon, and whiskey and hot water. I think it's wonderful. Right, so I'm going to give this drink a 10 out of 10. You don't need to be sick to enjoy this drink. It's a perfect nightcap during the week on a cold winter's night. This drink has natural health benefits. You've got antibacterial properties in the honey. You've got plenty of vitamin C with the lemon. Whiskey is a natural decongestant, and hot water, well, you need to hydrate. Try this drink the next time you're sick. It really will put a smile on your dial. Alright guys, if you want to see me, Goochie, make more cocktail shows, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye! Cheerio! Stay safe! Enjoy! Bye!